Hi dear friends! Electric kettles are usually not so dirty as regular ones because we keep them closer to plug-in and away from the cooktop. Nevertheless, once in a while, clean them and use the proper method depending on the material your kettle is made of.
If you have electric kettle made of stainless steel, then it's pretty easy to clean it if it's not so dirty. Use special Weinmann's stainless steel wipe. Apply to your kettle, then polish with fluffy microfiber cloth. If your stainless steel electric kettle is pretty dirty with grease and fingerprints, then use additionally Weinmann's stainless steel spray. Make stainless steel wipe almost wet with the spray. Apply the chemical to the kettle, removing all the stains. Finally, polish the kettle with special stainless steel rag. Magic eraser sponge will help you easily to clean and whiten a bit your white or beige electric kettle. Before application, make the sponge wet with just water, squeeze it, and after that, start scrubbing the kettle. Hard to reach places of your kettle, for example under the lid handle or in slots, use simple toothbrush. Spray it before application with soapy water. When you are done with cleaning your kettle, take multifunctional microfiber cloth. Wipe down thoroughly the kettle and polish it. And that will be all. For enamel electric kettle, use better off special spray grease remover. Spray the kettle over and leave there for 10 minutes. Don't forget before cleaning to unplug the kettle and let it cool down. Then polish the kettle, removing dirt and grease with multifunctional microfiber cloth. Before plugging the kettle in again, wipe down and dry up thoroughly its platform as well.